away from him. Watch TV and see if he calls you back like he did earlier. Let's hear you, Jack. What are you going to say? Bah, 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 bah. Say it, Jack. Alan's trying to sleep. What was that? Let me hear you, Jack. What do you say to Mama? Do you say Mama? Say hi, Mama. Goodness, we've got a lot to say tonight, don't you?